Korean grammar for speaking. Unit 24. Let's get started. 에서. 에서. Nothing really serious here, you know. We just chill. It's not difficult at all. So please listen. Up. 에 is used as to in English. So don't think this is like, oh, to go to it. No, I go to school. I go to the mall. Or I go home. But in English, there's no to, right? So I go to home, but we have in Korean. So I go to home. So some places where you go, you need this too. All right. How do you say I go home without to?
집 가요?
Right, 집 가요. That makes sense. I can understand. However, that's just not right. So 집에 가요. So somewhere to I go. Okay, how about this? You met someone on the street. Hey, where are you going? But where are you going to? We need that. So where to do you go? How do you say?
어디에 가요?
That's right. 어디에 가요? This is correct one. However, for speaking, we just drop out 에. 어디 가요? More convenient, right? 아, 지금 집에 가요. 학교 가요. Or like, I go to school. 학교에 가요. Correct. But for speaking, 아, 지금 학교 가요. You can't hear it because he or she did not use it. Right? Good. So you can make questions and answers, obviously. Where do you go to? Oh, I go to school. Oh, do you go to school today? No, I don't go to school today. So this to, right? It's not about like, I go to the mall to buy clothes. No. Something like that. I'll give this to you, not that to you, just places. All right, that's that. And 에. Just like English, the to has more meanings, just for not for places, right? So we use this 에 for time. Time doesn't mean only at 3 o'clock, at 1 o'clock. No. In the summer. Summertime, right? Or in April, in January, February, March, April. Or dates, like on 25th. So they are all the time, right? So use this 에 with this time. For example, at 1 o'clock. How do you say?
1시에
I sleep.
1시에 자요.
Good. 1시에 자요. How about on Monday? What do you do? What do you do on Monday? How do you say on Monday?
월요일에
What do you do?
월요일에 공부해요.
Right. 월요일에 공부해요. I study on Monday, right? So not only Monday, but also Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, right? How about this? On Christmas. Christmas day. Time, right? On Christmas, how do you say?
크리스마스에
What are you gonna do? I'm gonna meet my friend on Christmas day. How do you say?
크리스마스에 친구를 만나요.
Right. 크리스마스에 친구를 만날 거예요. Good. 만나요, the present tense, 만날 거예요. They can be used both for for future tense, right? Because Christmas is not today. 크리스마스에 만나요. 크리스마스에 만날 거예요. Good. How about this? In 2018. Can you say 2018?
2018
Nice. What year?
년
Nice. So 2018년?
2018년에
That's right. When did you come to Korea? I came to Korea in 2018. 2018년에 한국에 왔어요. Got it? Yeah. How about this? Summer. What's summer?
여름
여름. Good. I go to Hawaii in the summer. How do you say? In the summer,
여름에
I go to Hawaii.
하와이에 가요.
Right. 여름에 하와이에 가요. So something like this. But time, they usually come first, unlike English. At 2 o'clock, I go to bed. In summer, I go to Hawaii. On Christmas Day, I'm going to hang out with my friends. Something like this. And some positions. Don't worry about positions, whatever. There's something like in front of me, under, top, left, right, back, in between. They all need a. In front, up. So how do you say in front of me?
제 앞에
Perfect. And here's the grammar point. There is, or there are, there is a car in front of me. When you want to say there is, just use 있어요. 있다, I have. I have is also used there is in Korean. So how do you say there is a car in front of me? So in front of me,
제 앞에
there is a car.
자동차가 있어요.
Perfect. 제 앞에 자동차가 있어요. Or 제 앞에 차가 있어요. 자동 means auto. So auto car, right? Or just car, 차. 제 앞에 차가 있어요. There is a person in front of me.
제 앞에 사람이 있어요.
Perfect. And back. Back means 뒤. Remember 뒤. And ghost. 귀신. There is a ghost behind of me.
제 뒤에 귀신이 있어요.
Perfect. 제 뒤에 귀신이 있어요. Something like this. Right, left, right. Inside, outside. Everything. Use 에. Okay. And here's 에서. 에서 is usually used as in English. I live in Korea. She lives in Spain. He lives in America. They live in China. So how do you say I live in Korea?
한국에서 살아요.
Good. How do you say where do you live?
어디에서?
Right. Where do you live in? So, in where do you live? In Korea, I live. In Japan, I'm going to live. Something like this, right? So use 에서 in that case. And also, it's really complicated when we study English. In, on, at. So definitely, in is used when you're inside, indoor, right? But something like this. Where are you? I'm in the cafe. You guys never say that. I'm at the cafe, right? Hey, Where are you? I'm in the gym. But you're inside the gym. But you guys use I'm at the gym, right? Why? Don't ask why. Because that's how they use. And the way that we use 에서 is just like that. We sometimes use 에서 like in English, and sometimes at in English. So basically, you need to get used to those kind of things. Sometimes we use on, even we have to use in English. So not 100% matches. Language thing. It's a language thing. But I made this book almost matched, just like English and Korean. So that's why this is easy, right? So please just take it as it is. Oh, you're supposed to use in, but why do you use 에? Don't ask. Don't waste your time. Okay. How about this? I am resting. Rest. 쉬다. You're doing it now, so I'm resting. How do you say?
쉬어요.
ing 쉬고 있어.
쉬고 있어요.
Right? 쉬고 있어요. At home, I'm resting. But home, you're resting inside. So in home,
집에서
I'm resting.
쉬고 있어요.
Perfect. 지금 뭐 해요? 지금 뭐 해요?
집에서 쉬고 있어요.
아, 쉬고 있어요. Okay. Good. And this 에서, there's something weird. We also use this 에서 as from in English. Don't ask why, okay? It's just it is. So, from America, how do you say?
미국에서
I came.
왔어요.
Yo, you look really exotic. Where are you from?
미국에서 왔어요.
Nice. 미국에서 왔어요. You sure you're from America? You look like a Mexican. You look like Mexican. Then how do you say? I came from Mexico.
멕시코에서 왔어요.
Perfect. I'm from Mexico. 멕시코에서 왔어요. And even you want to ask me a question. Where are you from then? From where did you come?
어디에서 왔어요?
저는 한국에서 왔어요. You want to add really? Did you come from Korea?
진짜 한국에서 왔어요?
네, 진짜 한국에서 왔어요. Something like this, right? So you can say, where are you from? Oh, I'm from somewhere. And not only just person, right? I brought this book from Japan. From Japan, I brought it, right? 일본에서 가져왔어요. 가지고 왔어요, if you remember the word bring, right? And that's because we studied this word bring. And if you remember, it's only used for stuff. I brought this book, I brought the camera, I want to bring my something, but not for human being, right? So, what word do we have to use for human? 데리고 오다. 데리고 오다. And it got shortened to 데리고 데려. 데려오다. Bring somebody, person. I brought him from Malaysia.
말레이시아에서 데려왔어요.
That's right. 말레이시아에서 데려왔어요. 데려오다. 오다 is a new regular guy in past tense, right? So 왔어요. 말레이시아에서 데려왔어요. Hey, Derek, who is this kid? What is he doing here? And you answer.
집에서 데려왔어요.
Ah, you brought him from home. I was going to say you brought him from Malaysia. Good. Yeah, something like this. So 에서 is used like from as well. So please memorize and use correctly. And I have lots of exercises here. You will understand this 100% after you do this homework and take my lesson. 24 is now done. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Thank you.